Oh, I got him. Awesome. Holy crap, it's him.
Leave my mama alone,
He's got
you
bib.
bad man. I won't let you take Mama Peach away.
Mama? Mama Peach? I'm your mama?
Yeah, Papa told me all about it. He told me my mama got kidnapped by a bad man named Mario.
So you're Bowser's son?
So I came here to rescue her.
So the graffiti, that was you?
This is my magic brush. When I draw with this, all my wishes come true. A strange old man in a white coat gave it to me. A strange old man in a white
Professor Egad, you legend.
Why would you pretend to be Mario?
Papa told me everything. He said, Mario's a bully, he never fights fair. He said, Junior, you gotta try to outsmart Mario. So I tried to get Mario sent to prison, but they didn't lock him up, and now he came to steal Mama Peach again. You pest, stop following us.
Oh great, so there he goes in a big head with another head.
No, not again.
Well put, Flood, well put.
It appears to be heading toward Corona Mountain.
It is Corona Mountain, I thought so. Before I get the shine, I'm gonna have a quick wander around to get used to my surroundings quickly. So let's do this, Mario Park style. Holy crap, what's this thing? Oh, we just take it layer for the layer. Oh, it's awesome, we'll die. Yay, blue coin. So I'll find Yoshi before I can do that last level in Brickle Harbour. Sorry, you were just about to start working on the ride. Damn it. Is there anything I can do here? Or doesn't involve me getting killed? And I mean that. Oh great, bananas. Yeah, that's what we want in the theme park. Bro, oh, bro, oh. I don't see any other way to get that. Blue core. Oh. I'll be able to keep doing that. There's a bogey. I'm so immature. That looks like an Artificial head. What are they called? Pintos? Blue coin. Yeah, what we call pintos? Pointers? Pointer. Pointer, yeah, pointer. Wait. I'm sorry. I'm gonna check again. Pointer, yeah, definitely pointer. It's a triangle. That's my next victim, I mean shaped. $50 blue coins. Wow. What happens if you get 100? I have to actually keep my curiosity now. Okay, this is up the top somewhere. Judging by the sea in the background and the Ferris wheel itself. I'm guessing it's up here. Yes, it is. So, how's the Ferris wheel going? Just to be sure, we're going to keep testing this one for a while. It's down with bananas again. That bananas hurt me? Or was that full damage? No, it was the bananas! Damn bananas! Okay, there's no one up here. Okay, there is. I want to speak to you. We're currently doing test runs on this ride. Sorry, but come again. I was just on it. Tree powers! Oh, blue coin. Let me go back at that tree again. Hello. What's this? Don't want to fall. That means more work to climb back up for. No! Mario, why? Why? Really, Mario? Stop dying, I need to get to the... Whoa! Something blue shot past the screen. It's a bird! You can hurt birds! No! You can hurt birds! And they turn into coins! Oh, blue ones at that! Awesome! What my blue coins? We'll find out there, I'll have you in a minute. Oh, so the green turned into yellow, blue turned into blue. Oh, starting to make sense now. I think. No, it's not. Right, I'll go grab the shine now, I guess. Actually, no, I'll leave it here. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to grab that shine where you guys are gone. So like, comment, subscribe, and cheers for watching.